third challenge in 30 minutes. It's a hot sauce challenge. What I'm gonna do, just like the lemon and lime challenge, I'll show you it. I'm gonna hold it and then I'm gonna drink it.
Chug, 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 chug. Chug it. Chug it! Oh my god. Don't puke.
I don't feel good. Stop laughing.
You're gonna have the poops.
Stop it.
You're doing that a lot longer than the... You didn't show it to us.
Oh yeah.
Smile.
Ow. Whew. That's a problem.
Dude, you should see your face.
Ow. I need this. It's